Okay guys, this is a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. It's got the Duramax, the Allison transmission, rebuilt title, rear end damage, all been fixed up. Everything's original up here. Does have the X31 package. Seats. $60,415 on the miles. Cruise, heated seats. All your four-wheel drive and lighting options. Sorry, hard to see with the reflection on these shiny ones, but lights, all your tow package. Got all your different cameras. Cooled seats, power options, exhaust brake, lane assist, smart key. Does have the wireless charging. Look at that seat. Does have the sunroof. All-weather floor mats, rear heated seats, this does have the 8-foot bed on it. Release tailgate. Looks like it's got a 5th wheel prep in there. Damage was in the rear. Nice truck, guys. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.